As y'all just heard, we finally got an intake for SQ5. It is the loudest one on the market too by CTS Turbo.
All right, so this is everything that comes in it. I don't even know what this is. I think this is like, this goes around the intake. All right, this is the intake boot. It's just black, it's a rubber boot. I'm assuming this has the intake itself in it. It does. It's just red. And then this is the heat shield. Comes with it. And all, if I can get it open. It's just a big metal heat shield. It's actually pretty good quality. This one's nice. All right, anyways, let's get into installing it.
All in one piece, this comes off. Put this to the side. Luckily, we're working on a new car, unlike our old ones we've worked on, which means no rust. Just like that. This you will use for the new intake, so keep it somewhere very safe. Our baby intercooler down there. Guys, let us know in the comments if we should get a big fat intercooler, because I'm really tempted to. Looks sick.
Yeah, look at our turbo, guys.
Alright.
Now the boot just comes right off.
Literally comes right off. Super easy. I'm not going to go full mayhem mode and destroy this, just because when I sell this car, I'm going to put the stock box back on. We're going to set this to the side. We are done with the tools for now. And here's the best part, guys. This literally just
pulls right
up. And it amazes me. Out of all the cars I've worked on, an Audi SQ5's intake is just one of the easiest to do. Wow, like it took us literally 5 minutes to do this. Ah, that's hot. I'm working on a freaking AC line. There's this one right here. These will go on the new intake.
This one. We can upgrade our charge pipe also. We just haven't yet.
I have no idea why, but we probably will buy that at some point. It's like 150 bucks.
So the intake itself, it just has this piece. It goes inside of it.
This is literally like super easy though. All you're doing is putting a screw on this side or right here.
Okay, we have the heat shield on and it's partially screwed in. Just because we want to get the boot lined up, then we'll screw in those parts. Yeah, shove that in there.
Finally did it. It was not hard at all, except it was a little weird putting these in. Probably because, I mean, it is a $300 intake, not a $600 one. So the quality is not going to be, you know, subpar. But we're going to put this hose on and then fire this car up.
All right. Actually, maybe able to do that. Yeah. We finally got the intake in. As you can see, there's no heat shield. The heat shield didn't really work. It was a pain. We got tired of it. So we did this. It'll work for the time being. We may fix that later.
I mean, it blows cold air from here, technically, and it will go right here. And anyways, how does the heat shield make that big of a difference? Like, it's still getting hot air from this side, and it's still pulling hot air from over there. So in reality, I don't think it's gonna make a huge difference. Maybe like 2 horsepower less.
Anyways, let's just get the cover back on, get the hood closed, and let's test this thing out. Just beat it in. Yep. Oh my! Oh my god!
Guys, this intake sounds insane. I'm not even doing this just to hype it up on the video. I'm doing it because the camera doesn't do it justice. Like, that's so amazing. It sounds insane. I'm just so happy with it. This is the best mod you can get for your car, hands down. Guys, this turbo is so loud. Like, the intake sounds amazing. It really made a night and day difference. For a $250 intake, I think this is the best one to buy. The quality might not be
normally
the best.
something.
We did get it on sale. The quality isn't the best, I'm gonna be honest, but it does the job. It makes the car sound good. If you want your car to really run cool air, you gotta get a huge intercooler. But for the time being, this will do.